SAS Installation Instructions. Navigate to the SAS software download page. Click on the version you want to download to obtain the torrent file. Click on the file you just downloaded to open it. A link to download Tixati can be found in the text instructions. If so desired, you can change the file destination. Otherwise, just click Start. Find the .iso file you just torrented. Double-click the .iso file to mount it. Find the Setup Application file and right-click it. Select Run as Administrator. Keep English as the language and click OK. Leave Install SAS Software selected and click Next. Select Install SAS Foundation and Related Software, then click Next. Select any additional components you want to install and click Next. Select 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your system, then click Next. Use the recommended setting and click Next. Leave the products you want selected and press Next. For this step, you will need to obtain a license file. Return to the software website. Right-click and save the license file matching your version of SAS. Navigate back to your installation. Browse for the license file you just downloaded. Select it and click Open. Make sure that the license file is up to date and click Next. Deselect undesired languages and click Next. Leave SAS Foundation selected and click Next. Leave the SAS environment's URL blank and click Next. Allow time for the packages to install. Once they finish, click Next. Press Start to begin the deployment. Allow time for the deployment to complete. Upon completion, click Next. Click Finish to complete the installation. Navigate to the Start menu. Find the SAS folder in the Start menu. Select SAS with your current version, English. If you receive the disk full error, select Retry. You can now access and use SAS software.